Yes, ma'am.
Hi, how are you?
Hello, ma'am. How are you? I am doing great. What about you, ma'am?
I'm also doing exceptionally well. Thank you for asking. Uh,
Great, great, great.
I've been looking for this session since morning.
Yeah, I seen your message. I saw your message today's morning. So yes. Okay.
Since you are very first time on my channel, so could you introduce yourself first?
Yeah, absolutely. As you know, my name is Ashwani Verma, and I am from Rajasthan, Sri Ganganagar. And currently, I am focusing on my English improvement, and as well as I am running a YouTube channel that is Ashwani Verma. And on my YouTube channel, I am uploading English improvement related content that is really helpful for beginner. They really start from scratch. So it's all about my YouTube journey. And apart from this, I have done my graduation in art subject, and I'm working on my like communication skill, and as well as apart from this, I am doing trading and investing. So that is my work profession. So it's all about me. So and one more thing, I love to reading English books mostly.
That's a wonderful introduction from your side. So,
Thank
shall
you.
I introduce myself as well?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, my name is Anju Mittal. I completed BCom and I have 7 years experience working in different fields of accountancy and 3 4 years in teaching as well. Right now, I'm running a YouTube channel. It's a very small. It's been 1 month. I started uploading a conversation video just to
Mhm.
make myself more consistent in this spoken English
Okay.
journey. So that's a little.
Great, great. Okay. You are telling me like I am a small YouTuber right now. You are speaking right. Okay. Why you consider as a small YouTuber? First of all, tell me.
Because I just recently started it. I have very small
Okay,
subscriber, so that's why I consider myself a small YouTuber.
that is not good because it's not depend on you have started your journey recently. You started your YouTube journey, but don't use like I'm a small YouTuber. You consider as a you small. Okay, so try to change this language. मतलब किस अपने आप को छोटा क्यों कर रहे हो? Okay, try
Exactly.
to expand more and more. किसी के लिए हो सकता है वो बहुत बड़ा है. So many people they really very feel hesitation whenever they speak in front of camera, but you are speak very well in front of camera with confidence and with good courage. Okay, so that is not small. Yeah.
You introduce a big thing to me. That's like a power of subconscious mind. I got to know
Yes,
these
yes.
things from your sister Rajni Verma, and that time I was
Mhm.
too much influence. I read something related to it, and that time I totally changed perception towards my life. So I'm very thankful to.
Hmm. Yeah, yeah, so that's why I'm telling to you, don't say like I'm small YouTuber.
Exactly,
Yeah.
exactly. Next time I'll take care of it.
Yes, Anjuji.
So, like you
Yeah.
introduced, you are a forex trader as well.
Yes, I'm trader and
Instead,
investor also.
instead of English learning journey, because everyone who is in this English learning journey, so you are quite renowned nowadays. So everyone knows about your English learning journey. How did you achieve this fluency within a very short period of time? So instead of
Mm.
this, if we can talk about this forex trading, is it okay for you?
Yeah, I'm ready.
Okay.
Every time I'm ready.
Okay, so I have jotted down some questions for you. My
Mm-hmm.
first question is that can you explain a little about forex trading? What is foreign exchange trading in simple words, so that any new person can understand easily?
Okay, foreign exchange trading is it's a worldwide. It's the biggest market. Like first of all, our stock market that is only in India. Okay, then the second is crypto market, and the third is forex market. And the forex market is the biggest market, the largest market in the world. In that market, that is huge volume, huge money coming and going, volumes up and downs, like so many things happens in forex market. And whenever anyone start from scratch this journey, so first of all learn this like skill and invest, I think, more and more, like at least 3 to 4 years in this particular skill if anyone wants to start this journey. Okay. So Forex is a like foreign exchange market where we punch the trade, we invest our money to grow our capital, to grow our money. Like we invest money, then we want to good results in future. So that is the trading and investing. Trading is a like short-term game. Like today we punch a trade for 1 minute, for 1 hour, for 1 day, for 1 week. That is trading. And second called name is second is investment. Investing is a long-term goal, like 6 month, 1 hour, 1 year, 5 year, 10 year, for okay. So the difference between is trading and investing is that key anyone start from scratch, so just focus on investing, learn how to invest money, how to grow money by investing, then you go for trading, because trading is more risky rather than investing. Yeah, so first of all find out your interest, then you jump in particular this market. And this market is very no, easy for it is for making money, but it's not easy for doing. Okay, so it's take a lot of time. Likewise, English take a lot of time. Likewise, trading. But trading also need more and more time, like 3 to 4 years, and huge experience with losses also. Because I faced a lot of losses in particular this market, so that's why I'm telling to you.
Okay, so you have occurred a big loss.
Yeah, big losses. But I recovered in my that journey, because I started my this journey 4 to 5 years ago from scratch. Whenever I done my graduation, after that I switched in that market. Then I researched and I took courses from Maharashtra, Bombay, and I do a lot of study on this particular market, on this particular skill. Then I slowly, gradually improve, and then I faced huge losses. Starting phase, I face small losses, that but slowly, gradually I make money. I make money also, but I faced huge losses in that journey. But now I cover up all the things, and now I am stable in this market. Yeah.
So how did you control your emotions when you had occurred very big loss?
Yeah, it's very great question. Emotions play a vital role in particular this market. Totally depend on your emotion. If you facing losses and then you face like depression and stress, then you feel like totally lose everything. Because here that total the needs of mindset and psychology that is needed in this market. No need to like you have a good knowledge, good experience, that matter, but matter at one time. But second thing matter is mindset and psychology, how you react whenever you get good results, whenever you get huge losses, that time how you react, that is more important. So I faced a lot of problems that time with my health, with my financial condition also. But that time I faced like, yeah, it's a journey, it's part of life, and it happened with everyone. And second thing is Rajni Verma. She that time she supported me every time, and she guided me, not guided, but she inspired me. And she told me every time, you can do it, no problem. Just keep learning, keep growing every day, and try to improve your mindset and psychology. So yeah, it's all about my journey.
So positive girl, I must say. I started my portfolio, but in Indian trading in 2022 with Angel One. So I started with investment, then I started trading, but only swing trading because I felt intraday trading needs a little more time to analyze the stock, and I don't have much time.
Intraday is also like driving a Ferrari. So it's like very super fast. And if you have a good money, like use money in lakhs, then you survive in option trading and intraday, I think. If you have a little money, like you want to save your money for long term, you want to like little results, like satisfied results in long term, then you go for investment and swing trading also, and go for ETF and mutual funds also. So you can try this. Yeah, definitely.
I invested a lot during those days, and my portfolio was repeatedly going hike up to 30%. It reached very soon because that time market was repeatedly going hike from
Hmm.
22,000 Nifty. It reached up to 25,000 in a very short period
Yeah,
of time. So
Yeah,
I
yeah, yeah.
thought I have become very good investor. No stock is in red in my portfolio. So I started feeling motivated. But when
But
there was a big crash, I think in the starting of 25, there was a big crash. Market went down. Then my portfolio also got down. Then I felt demotivated. That time I realized like controlling the emotions, that's the big challenge in the market.
hmm, absolutely, absolutely. And if you are investor and try to fix your goal related to 5 year, like on 5 year and 10 year at least, if you are investor, because if we invest money like huge money and then we get a results in just 1 month, in just 2 months, because in 1 or 2 months maybe market will go down, market will go up. It happen, but if we find out results, like if we find the history of Nifty 50 and Bank Nifty and Sensex, then we find out that market will definitely go up in 5 to 6 years. Market will go down, but after that, the market will go up. Okay, so it happen, but try to fix your goal like long term, at least 5 year, 10 year. If you are investor, then and if you are a trader, then you find out your set your results in just for 1 day, for 2 days, for 1 week, for 1 month.
On and off, I do trade. I'm not a regular trader. But when because in
Mhm.
swing trade is not fixed that you have to sell your stock. There is no foundation like intraday.
Mhm.
So whenever I
Mhm.
feel okay, this is in profit, I should sell it. Then I sell. Otherwise, I don't sell it on regular basis. I keep it for long term.
And also, whenever I started my journey, I started from stock market, Indian stock market, option trading. Then I faced huge losses option trading, and I stuck 2 year in option trading in Indian stock market. Then I feel like no, this market is not for me. Then I switched Indian. Then I transformed Indian to forex trading exchange, forex market. And then I feel like I am comfortable in particular market, and the forex market is running like Monday to Friday for 24 hours, and that is good for me. Like whenever I get free time, then I easily go open my laptop and I bunch my trade and everything I handle.
In which pair
And
do
now
you
I
trade
am
more? Which pair of currency do
gold,
you trade more?
gold pairs, USD, mostly USD pairs, but mostly gold.
But once I read about it, like it happens in two currencies like USD Indian or USD Japan. Two pairs of currencies are there.
Yes, yes. Two pairs combination in forex market. A lot of currencies and like two pairs available on forex market, but we always do in trade in gold, and most of the time gold, but sometimes we use euro USD. Euro is like dollar.
Mm. I also did some trade in gold and silvers. I think in the month of Feb 26. That time there were much fluctuation between gold and
Mhm.
silvers. So that time I bought multiple time. I bought silver bees and gold bees. Then I sold them. So I earned 18,000 within 10 days by doing that.
Okay.
So then again, at the end of Feb, this war was happen. So again, I felt demotivated. Oh my God, what is happening again and again? When I started to be continue with this trading journey, then something
Uh-huh.
happened.
Mhm. Okay, so yeah, great. And when did you start your English journey?
I started listening conversation video in 2025, but that time
Mhm.
I couldn't start my channel. Even I did not practice continuously. In 2026, I think April to not June 28, I started my channel, and since then I'm consistent. So it's been
Mhm.
around
Okay.
1 month I'm consistent. But in 2025, I started listening and on and off through audio call. I was practicing. But
Okay. Now, at present, what are you doing? Like full-time trading, yeah, investing, yeah, English.
no, now I'm not trading, sir. Even nowadays, I'm not investing. I started my new account with Grow. I thought I would
So,
do trade on regular basis. That's why I did in gold and silver. But because
mhm.
of war, I just left that practice. And again, my third account is in IND. That
IND.
IND, that time my nephew invest some money on my behalf in IND. So I did not check even interface of IND very well because I feel I should consistent with this journey first. And I came in this video conversation to mastering my courage.
Great, great.
Audio call, I
And
felt a bit comfort in audio, but I thought I should be comfort with video call. That's why I came in the journey.
Great. And did you experience like ETF and mutual funds?
Yes, I have invested several ETF, Nifty Bees, yes, Nifty Bees, Motilal Oswal. So I have
Okay.
invested in and Bank Bees. Bank, I have invested in several ETFs. And I
Okay.
felt ETFs are more good than mutual fund.
Yeah, absolutely. Yeah. Where did you learn stock market?
Yeah, in 2007, I was working with share broker company. I worked there almost 3 years. So, but that time I was not trading. I was just making the portfolio for other clients. What is their investment? Is CAGR, absolute return, what percentage they are growing. So I used to make portfolio of all the investments for bigger clients, for small clients. So in this way, so that was back office work. I hardly need to talk to interact means with clients. So and that time, if I had to interact with clients, I used to make sure that no one in the staff should watch me if I am talking in English. So I was that much lack confident.
Okay, great. You have a good experience like working with broker. Which broker?
It still it exists. It's open online securities, and they had become direct member of NSC even that time. And I was working that time. They had become direct member of NSC. Now this company shifted from Delhi to Noida.
Okay, okay, okay. Great.
But my all colleagues are same who were working with me. They are still working in that company.
Great,
I
great.
only left the job.
Yes.
Yeah, on which platform do you this work for this foreign exchange?
Okay, for trading, the for trading purpose is MT5. I think you know MT5 platform. And broker is we have for three to four brokers. We are working with them. Like first of all is XM broker, and second is Star broker, and one or two another broker. We are working because we have a good team. We are 3 to 4 person. We have office in city. We have a like a good area. Is we have a setup like screens and laptops, all the things.
So, how did you influence for this trading? Do you follow any influencer or any book?
No, no, no. Yeah, whenever I started my journey, that time I read so many books related to investment and trading, but that is only for book, paper book. And experience is like another thing because now I faced a lot of experience like profit, loss, and psychology, emotions, everything. So now why I watch YouTube content creator? Why? And one more thing on YouTube, there are so many fake creators available right now.
Yes, exactly.
No one is perfect trader, I think. If anyone if have a good trader, like अगर कोई अच्छा trader है, so that is not exist on YouTube from my perspective. They are coming for just selling courses and selling services like referral code and that thing, I think. So that's why they're making money by selling these.
There is a CA Rachna Ranade. She is a financial coach. So
Yes, yes.
initially, I was following her because 2007 I left my job related to share market. So 2007, 2009 I left my job when I got married. So I want to recall some terms related to this. So I followed Rachna Ranade in my initial days. But she provides very few video of her course at free of cost. So
But I think she is investor, not trader. Rajna Ranade.
Rachna
She's
Ranade
investor.
has the financial institutes. I think she teaches for both investing and trading.
Yeah, there are so many people they providing classes and teaching. same courses, everything. Yeah.
So I like the way she introduced the things in a very easy and simple manner so that a
Mhm.
newcomer can understand easily.
Yeah, I watched his video last 3 to 4 year ago whenever I started my journey. But right now didn't follow. I don't follow any kind of YouTube videos and not content creator. But I see like so many news and information that is needed in this particular market. So I just check out on website the name of Forex Factory, and Forex Factory is easily available all the things, what is news, what is data, and what happened in future, what happened in past, like everything. So no need to go any YouTube content creator and watch like content creator related to trading and investing. I watch all YouTube, more and more YouTube, but I just watch English conversation and English podcast
Okay.
for improving my communication skill. Yeah.
I could everybody introduce like they watch podcast, but I never get any podcast in English. Means if I get any podcast, so it's for more than 1 hour. So I just skip it. I don't watch more than 1 hour.
I watch. I enjoy a lot watching podcast. And nowadays I switch Indian to native speaker. I watch native speakers podcast. And I whenever I watch that time I feel like very mesmerizing and very like feel very powerful, and like the way they speak like native speaker, like very fascinating and mesmerizing, and like their pronunciation and their accent is very like soothing, and so that's why I watch a lot of podcast, native speakers podcast. Yeah.
Some foreigner speaks very well. It's very easy to understand, but some speaks. Sometimes it's not understandable.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, it happened with me. But whenever I started watching native speaker, that time I start with subtitle
Okay.
for 15 to 20 days for 1 month at least. And slowly, gradually, I switched the subtitle to just watch very attentively. So then, definitely, slowly, gradually, I improve my speaking skill, improve my articulating all the things and watching very attentively, and then I gradually understanding all the things, slowly.
You became habitual
Yeah, it's
watching with
totally depend on
subtitles.
habitual and mindset. If we are consider like I am not understand native speaker, then you don't understand that that is right. You are right. Okay. If you are saying like yes, I will understand, but slowly and gradually, I'm trying, then you definitely understand. It totally depend mindset and habitual that is needed.
That's really, but I enjoy watching conversation videos when two ladies talks, especially because
Mhm.
we can resonate with them.
Right. And in India, there are so many women's. They uploading English conversation. They are doing like a very hard work and uploading conversation, and so similarly they're doing house and homes works and the children also so many things because their plate is very full of like schedule everyday thing. So they are very hardworking, and you also.
Yeah, I came across in 2025. I came across the first year with Rajni Verma's video, and I was not
Mhm.
aware that loads of YouTubers are doing the same. I thought this is only one who is doing this, so I started watching her video continuously. I
Mhm.
think for 1 month continuously, I listened her video passively. Even it was in my mind that I want to start my channel with the first video with Rajni Verma, and coincidence I got connected and we greet each other, and suddenly the call was disconnected. She texted me that she has some urgent piece of work, and since then I did not get any chance. Okay.
Oh, definitely.
Because of busy schedule, when you have bombard of messages every day,
Mhm.
how you
Yeah.
can able to reply everyone. So it's because
Absolutely.
so we are running out of time, I think. So we
Yeah.
have left 5-10 minutes. So do you have any more question to ask me?
No, I have done from my side. If you have any question, then you can ask me. Otherwise, we can wind up.
Again, I would ask, I'm more interested in trading. So again, I would like to ask you one more question. Means what strategy do you follow for your trading, if you don't mind to share?
There is no strategy we are following, just mindset and psychology. Because we right now we have a good team, like 4 to 5%, and we have the money that is needed in that forex market, and we playing like averaging.
Okay.
So we doing like this, and we just follow simple price action, price. Bhao Bhagwan che. I think Bhao Bhagwan che.
Yes, every market person says this because in Indian market also checking financials is quite easy for me because I'm from accounts background, so I can check what is balance sheet, financials, their cash flow, so I can check easily. But technical analysis it's a little challenging for me, tracking on
Mhm.
rates and these all things. These are little
Right, right.
challenging.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay,
Now,
thank you
happy.
for connecting.
Yeah. Thank you for having me, ma'am. And it's really great talking to you. Thank you.
Okay,
Take
bye
care. Bye.
bye. Thank you.